50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 38. Love for nature. Lord, fill my heart with love and appreciation for the beauty of nature. Help me to be a responsible steward of the earth and to protect its resources.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Your passion and purpose will guide you to success.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Reduce your use of disposable products by opting for reusable alternatives, such as cloth napkins and menstrual cups.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us extend a hand of friendship and understanding to those who are different from us.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a chance to leave behind a legacy of wisdom, compassion, and love.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.